How to fix TikTok upload quality. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, this is going to be very important so that, let's say you just took something from your camera or anything like that and it's in really good quality, but you post it on TikTok and it might look very bad. This is because you might not have a setting enabled. So all you want to do is open up your TikTok application. By default, you're going to be on your For You page. Then from here, all you want to do is go ahead and try and upload something. So what we want to do is I'm just going to go ahead and click the plus icon right in the middle, and then you can do a photo, a video, whatever you want. I'm just going to go to my camera roll and select a high quality video. So I'll just select this one right here and then just go ahead and click next once you have whatever you want. And then from here, all I want to do is go ahead and press next. And what you're going to see is a lot of different options, but all you want to do is the second last option you're going to see is more options. Once you click on that, one of the options you're going to see is allow high quality uploads. It says higher quality videos may take longer to process. So if you want to do like a 4K video or something, definitely have this enabled. You don't want to disable it because even though if you disable it, it's going to be quicker to upload. It's not going to look anywhere near as good. So you definitely want to have this enabled and then you'll be good to go.